Hello students, I Sheetal Baria from Saraswat International Academy welcome you to the science class. Chapter 3 Part 4. In this session, we will continue with our notes of fiber to fabric. Question number 3. Write short notes. Stages of life history of silk moth. There are 4 stages of the life history of the silk moth. First one is the egg, then the larva or the caterpillar, the pupa and the silk moth. Here is the diagram where you can see the egg, then the eggs on the leaves, then this turn into caterpillar, and then this form the cocoon, and from the cocoon, inside the cocoon the pupa is formed and the silk moth comes out from the cocoon, and this silk moth give birth to the give eggs, hatch eggs or lay egg. This is the first stage of life history of silk moth. Female silk moth lays eggs on the leaves of mulberry trees. Larva. Incubated egg hatched out larva is called caterpillar or silkworm. It stops eating after eating leaves of mulberry up to 25 to 30 days and becomes dormant. Dormant means they stop eating and just stay there. Pupa. Now caterpillar enters in the third stage of its life history called pupa. It first weaves a net to hold itself. Then it swings its head from side to side in the form of the figure of 8. During these movements of the head, caterpillar secrete fiber made of a protein which hardens on exposure to air and becomes silk fiber. Soon the caterpillar completely covers itself by the silk fibers and turns into pupa. This covering is called cocoon. Silk moth. The further development of the pupa into moth continues inside the cocoon. So the pupa inside the cocoon, it becomes into a moth. Finally, silk moth comes out by breaking the cocoon. And then this way the cycle goes on. Give only answer of following questions. In which region is yak commonly seen? Tibet and Ladakh. Question number 2. From the hair of which animal is pashmina shawl prepared or woven? Kashmiri goat. Number 3. From the hair of which animal is Angora wool obtained? From the Angora goat. Number 4. The process of removing hair of sheep is similar to which process? The shaving process. Number 5. Wool obtained from which animal is commonly available in the market on a large scale? The answer is sheep. Number 6. Which stage of the life history of silk moth is important to obtain silk? Answer is cocoon. Next, what is the food of the larva of silkworm? Answer is leaf of mulberry tree. Question number 8. Which country began silk production first? Answer is China. Number 9. What is called rearing of silkworm? Answer is sericulture. Next, the name of the process of taking out thread from the cocoon for use of silk is called reeling of silk. State whether the following sentences are true or false. Number 1. Air is a poor conductor of heat. Answer is true. Second one. Wool is a strong conductor of heat. False. Number 3. Wool is a synthetic fiber. False. Number 4. Wool and silk are made up of protein. Answer is true. Number 5. A process of obtaining silk fibers from cocoon is called silviculture. False. It is known as sericulture. Number 6. Silk moth is the next stage after silkworm. False. Number 7. Number 7. Sericulture is a very good old occupation in India. Answer is true. Number 8. Larva of silk moth is also called caterpillar. True. Number 9. The food of silkworm is generally leaves of mulberry tree. True. Number 10. Cocoon of silk moth is very